we're gonna go unbox this. Oh, it's opening. Oh, look at that. What's up, guys? So today is the day I'm finally gonna be unboxing my 2 Comma Club award from ClickFunnels. I've been wanting this plaque for about 4 years now, ever since I started my digital marketing agency. The day has finally arrived. The package has been here. I just haven't had the chance to open it yet, but there it is, guys. It is right on my table, and we're gonna go unbox this. I am super excited. Let's see what it says here. So it says, congratulations, please video your 2 Comma award unboxing and upload the video to this link. So that is what the box looks like. And I am super excited to finally be able to unbox my 2 Comma Club award plaque. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, so just a little bit of context. I've been wanting this award for the past 4 years, ever since I started my digital marketing agency. And I remember prior to starting, my cousin had invited me to this 10X Con by Grant Cardone because he had an extra ticket. And I didn't know anybody there, but I did get the opportunity to meet Russell Brunson for like a quick second, shook his hand, said what's up because we were in the VIP area. And I remember him going on stage and talking about, you know, all these new internet marketers who were able to scale their business from just online and scaling it to $1 million. And I would see these people, you know, he was showing screenshots of these people going on stage and collecting their plaque for achieving, you know, making $1 million with their funnel using ClickFunnels. And I was like, one day I want to get that. I want that award. That looked really cool. So I didn't know how I was going to do it, if I was even going to do it, but here we are 4 years later. The award is here. It's been shipped to my house. It's been sitting here because I haven't had the opportunity to open it yet. But my parents, I told my parents about this and they've been really excited for me. They've been asking me when I was gonna open up this award. So they are just as excited as I am. Oh, it's opening, wow. Look at this, guys. It's a big plaque. Oh, it's been nicely packaged so my award doesn't get damaged. What? I feel like I'm getting an award. You know, the next thing is for the YouTube plaque. But man, this is the plaque, guys. Let me hold this up. Let me just make sure. Oh man, this is cool. Oh, this is pretty neat. I haven't gotten any type of award. It's been a while since I've gotten an award for anything. Probably the last time I got an award was maybe like back in high school for getting like a good GPA, like, you know, one of those little paper ones, but never a plaque, guys. Haven't got one of these plaques. Oh man, look, let me just roll this popcorn stuff off here. Yo, this is dope. I'm gonna be hanging this up on my wall for sure. Wow. So this is what the plaque looks like so far. Let me go ahead and place this to the side, and I'm gonna put this box down. Is there anything else in this box? Nope, just this award. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna go ahead and take the corners off. Let's go ahead and boom, bam. I am so excited to see what this looks like in person. I've only seen it in pictures of other people collecting it, but now I can say that I finally have an award. I would never think I was gonna get an award for anything, you know, after high school. I got a couple trophies from, like, you know, basketball and stuff like that, but man, to get recognition for my business. Oh, watch this, guys. So let me hold it this way so I could slide it out. Here it is, guys. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh man, that is cool. 2 Comma Club, ClickFunnels. I am a membership into the 2 Comma Club for earning over $1 million with ClickFunnels. It's got my name on it, it's got my company's name on it, and it's got the year that I did it, which was in 2022. There it is, guys. It's got my name, it's It's got my company's name, the year. Oh, this is cool. This is nice. This is nice. My parents are gonna love seeing this. I know they're gonna post this all over their social medias. That is my wow. Let me just take a look at this. I haven't got an award for anything. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. $1 million, guys. $1 million has been achieved through my funnel using ClickFunnels. Wow, I started this 4 years ago. Didn't know how I was going to do it. Didn't know when, didn't know how, but I just knew that I wanted this really badly 4 years ago. Seeing Russell Brunson speak on stage about all the success stories, and I was like, man, one day I'm gonna get that award. And that one day is finally here, and it feels really, really good. So, man, this is really cool. So shout out to ClickFunnels, shout out to Russell Brunson for sharing those inspirational stories and success stories. It's just definitely been a journey. It's inspired, it helped motivated me, it helped inspired me, it helped give me a dream, something to work towards to, something to keep me going. There we go, less shadow. Something to keep me going, you know, something to pursue. And now we're off to the next step. We are gonna keep working, we're gonna keep growing, and I just, man, this is neat. Thank you so much. Shout out to ClickFunnels, shout out to Russell Brunson, and let's keep it going. Let's keep it rolling. Off to the next awards, hopefully for more awards, and yeah.